Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Log In, where I'm back with another brand new video to show you guys how you can log in into your Metro bank account. First of all, just go into any search browser that you use, then go into the search bar and just type for Metro Bank Login and hit enter. After doing so, click on the first link that pops up. This will take you to the official website of Metro Bank. After doing so, you can see there is a login button on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on login and other pop-up information will be on the screen for you to choose from which account you want to log in into, or either register for online banking. Tap on any account you want to choose, hover over it and then click on it. After doing so, you will be redirected to another page where you need to input your 12-digit customer number or username so you can continue to your bank account. Here, input your 12-digit customer number or username and then hit on continue. After doing so, you'll be taken to the passport page where you need to input your passport so you can log in into your Metro bank account. And after inputting the password, just click on login and then you'll be logged in into your Metro bank account. So guys, this was for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and the bell notification discount. So guys, that's how we log in into your Metro bank account. This was for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.